All right, so I invite you to find a comfortable place to meditate, whether in a chair, on a couch, and let's just sit upright so our energy can flow up. We want this energy going right on up through those energy centers, those chakras, flowing right up through the spiritual eye and feeling all that joy and bliss or whatever comes up for us. So let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And exhaling. And as you exhale, just feel tension, stress, strain, just going out of your body. And we mentally scan and relax each part of our body, starting with the feet. Just feel your feet relaxing and letting go. Relaxing the calves, the thighs. Letting your pelvic area relax, the buttocks relaxing. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. No need to hold that part of your body in. Just let go. Become aware of your hands. Let your hands be relaxed. Relaxing the forearms, the biceps, the shoulders. Becoming aware of the neck. Relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Relaxing your chest and your back. Moving awareness into the jaw, relaxing the jaw, the cheeks, the eyes, the ears, the nose, the lips, the tongue. Relaxing your scalp. And remembering the truth. The Sanskrit word for remembering, smriti, remembering who we are. Remembering I'm not this mind, I'm not this body, I'm not my emotions. I have a mind. Well, if we say I have a mind, who is it that has the mind? It's you. Consciousness. An expression of spirit. An expression of consciousness. That's you. I have emotions. Who has emotions? I do. Well, who are you? Consciousness. I have a body. That means I'm not my body. My body's the object. I'm the subject. I am consciousness. And so now we, as consciousness, can focus our mind, can center the mind, can calm and quiet the mind. And as we do, we can tune into that infinite realm that's within us, literally within us. Not metaphorically, literally. We are connected with the one mind, the infinite mind of the universe. So as our body relaxes now, our mind starts to become still and quiet. I'd like to use an image today to quiet that mind. Imagine that you're out camping somewhere and you go for a walk and you come across this big, beautiful lake. And there are trees around this lake. Maybe there are mountains. But it's a little windy out. You sit beside the lake and you just feel the wind blowing. It's warm out though, the sun's shining. And you're looking at the surface of the lake, you can see ducks and other animals around the lake or on the lake. And you can see the movement of the trees, but you can barely make it out because it's windy. There's waves on the surface of this lake. You can sort of make out the mountains, but not completely clearly. Just like our minds can be so restless, just like the surface of this lake. So you are suddenly imbued with tremendous power, and you're able to say to the wind, "Peace, be still. Peace, be still," and the wind listens to you. And it starts to become quiet and still. You don't feel the wind blowing anymore. Just feel a gentle breeze. And you can see the lake starting to become calm, the ripples ironing out, so to speak, and the surface of the lake becoming very quiet and very still. And now you can see the trees starting to form very clearly on the surface. You can see the mountains very clearly. It starts to look like a picture. As you look at this still, calm surface of the lake. And now your mind is starting to become calm and still. And I'd like to bring your awareness now to that stillness at the center of your being. I invite you to just rest in the quiet, open and receptive to whatever your inner experience might be. Maybe you'd like to continue sitting next to this beautiful lake in nature. Maybe you'd like to create a beautiful scene of your own, or you just want to sit in the quiet. So let's do that now together, in the quiet, in the stillness. Now that you're centered, this is a wonderful time to visualize yourself experiencing some kind of good in your life. Maybe there's something you have to do. You need to talk to someone or make a sale, or maybe you would like to experience greater healing in your body. Or give a talk of some kind. Visualize yourself now experiencing the result you'd like to experience. How would it feel? How would you look? What would people say back to you? How would they respond to you when everything goes the way you would like it to? Program this into your subconscious. Program your mind with these positive thoughts, positive beliefs. For your nervous system cannot tell the difference between an imagined and an actual experience. So program yourself for success. And from this place of centeredness, we remember our friends and family, and we see them as they are, as spiritual beings, having a human experience, we bless and support them and trust the activity of Spirit flowing in and through them and through every part of their life. And we include every person on the planet. We include all the animals, all the plants, all the flowers, all the streams, every part of life. We acknowledge that Spirit is in all and through all, is everywhere present. And we're grateful for this awareness, knowing this truth together, knowing the presence of peace, love, joy, harmony, and all good, everywhere present, the true reality. And we give thanks for this time of knowing, this time of truth. And now we let it be so. We trust the activity in all people taking place. And let us now bring our awareness back to the room where we are. Moving toes, moving fingers, hearing the sounds around us, feeling the chair or the couch beneath us, letting our eyes adjust to the lighting and letting this new awareness, this new centeredness, flow and unfold through our thoughts, words, feelings, behaviors, the situations that we find ourselves in, trusting the activity, guiding and direct us. And so it is. Amen.